Nandibadde nze ayogera nti nkitegese mangu because nandyagadde sponsors n'abalala n'ebirala bingi. But this chivulo is about to sing for my people. Yes.
2 events, big events in 1 year. Kino kitegeeza ki gy'oli?
2 events, big events. What do you mean by 2 events? Yes, can't eyembalala yendese wano because many people fail to come the other side. Yeah, and I felt like I should let me come with the music this side. As an extra, the one that missed the other side can at least be served this side.
Because Mbawafuna abantu bangi nnyo, it was a successful event.
Yeah.
Have you come to stamp your footprint in Central also?
I've come to sing for my people, bro. That's my whole thing. Like, I've come to sing for my people that were supposed even to be the other side, but they may be a minimal distance and this, that, the other. Then Saramokan's Jemba Imbire, no? Yes. Nzera bukyantandika okuyimba najja kuyimba nyimbe mpulire nga nyimbye nga sirina gwe nkakasa. Maybe ensonga enkulu it is to stay in my area, sing my language because nasanga nti awo wensobola okuyimbira obulungi bwe mba nyimba kyemanyi naye ebyokukakasa. Yes. Because I'm using the same band I use, my band. The band I work with, that is Quest Band. Then I have friends here, that is Ouma and Jose. They are going to be part of the band. And that's my part to play. Like, so if you're I'm ready. Yes.
Venue, selection of venue.
We wanted even another, but Netsanga and Daranga rebooked Netu Gamba. Anyway, Fananeri, Netuda, Irange Rimu town is Siwara. Yes, Yansonga.
Tusubireyo abayimbi abawano oba egenda kujula strict abayimbi bemba because wali musanyufu webagamba nti no abayimbi ngeri kyoyita indiscipline mu music industry.
Bagamba omu bwakola atya omulya mamba ab'omu kika kyonna. They are not indisciplined. I have friends here in the Central, very many artists who are my friends in the Central. They are going to show up and support me. And friends from West, they're going to show up and support me. This is not something to separate us like this is Central, this is what. Not really. We are Ugandans. We are one voice. Tujjewo kiri omuzungu yatuterawo boundary n'abamu abaffe ne basigala eri nosaa nti omuntu ayogera olunyankole naye ali Tanzania. You get it? Just tubireko okubimindingako nnyo. Tuli bana Uganda, tuli bafirika, tuli kimu. Yes.
Ekikoze ky'okuba nti n'otunda olulimi lwa olunyankole across everywhere.
Nkikoze ntya okukola like it is nga bw'okyogedde okusigala nga nyimba olulimi lwange lwemmanyi kuba mba nduyimba lumpa confidence pulling out the music I want. Ekintu nkikola nga bwe njagala sigamba nti kati wano waganye ntekewo ki because kyenyimba it is from me, it is from who I am. Yes, man.
So basically, event is it to satisfy our fans or it's still about money?
It is to satisfy my fans. If it was about money, I was going to wait and have sponsors, what. But this is about my people to sing for them. It has been a while. I do shows, but I've never prepared one here, and I have people that love my music here. Yes, man. Alex has been in the Central. He has been organizing events. Yes, he has been organizing comedy events, but the difference is the mode of performance. Comedy is talking, then singing. Like music is singing, but this almost the same thing. The flow of the event is almost the same. You need sound, you need stage, you need. So he knows much about the events. The dynamic says Azimanyi, Amanyi. I know knowledge nyingi about that. I know manyi livairaba ina n'abantu kati nze siriki yandibadde nga okumunyonyola kintwalira obudde naye Alex bwayogera naye nange nenjogerezako akatono kensobola okwogera ne tukolagana. So and he has been my friend.
Abantu bakusabye okukola collaborations n'abantu abakusookawo.
Yes. I've been thinking about it with my management for so long. We have been thinking about it and packaging it, how to do it. Because if we work with someone at Sokao, naye kimuyambe, naffe kituyambe. Kibeko ne industry kijiyambe. Not kukola naye nga bw'osanze. Yes, but twagala okukola nabo.
Abantu abatwa abagambe nti n'olumbye ekibuga okirumbye.
Not really. Sirumbye ekibuga naye nzize kuyimbira abantu bange case. Yeah man. Mwije olwa mukago. We are calling everyone at Imperial Royal. Come experience us. Yeah. So. Kitya olulimi lutya gamba tebalutegeera. Nze siri wano okusomesa lulimi, ndi wano okuyimbira abantu bange, those people that enjoy my music, no matter where you come from, no matter which language you speak, but if you enjoy my music, come we enjoy. It's not about language. It's not a language issue, bro. Language edda kunze nze ayimba okuyimba byemmanyi nenkuwa music omulungi naye gwe awuliriza. Listen to the music because you will feel the confidence in the song that was backed up by the language I know. Naye gwe tekijja kugamba nti olitawuliriza lulimi luno. You can listen to whichever song. Yes, this is for the people that love my music.
Yeah, bro. Concert okoleka ekibuga Kampala concert. Akigenda mwongerako okiyenga ye.
Kigenda mwongerako like this is going to be the first show in Kampala. Kigenda kunyongerako ebbanja okusigala nga nkolayo shows e Kampala n'awalala wapya. Like to always reach for the new ventures, like feeling like I can do in Gulu, I can do in yes. Okumpa enkizo okukola shows endala awalala. Yes man.
Mukulike emikolo gya Levi. Okubeera nga best man.
Yali best man wange. Bw'annannonda nange nja kubeera owuwe.
Yoya mwali kuki?
Yoya. Ate ka tojogedde title ya luyimba yoya twali kuki? Twali ku luyimba bro. Manyi scenes za gundi za video. Mulimu tibuli kimu nti bakiteekamu olimba luba lwa dakiika 3. Kati musobola okukola buli kimu nosanga nti bw'oyambala akagoyi kali tebaakateekamu. So byebyo.
Kokoboka bakanyigewo.
Yo man. Byebyo.